Welcome to Avic YT. In this video we are going to show you some of the keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11. Windows key plus A. Open the Quick Settings panel. This lets you turn Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, and more features on or off. You can also adjust the brightness of your screen and computer volume in this panel. Windows key plus C. Open Chat with Microsoft Teams. This new feature in Windows 11 gives you a quick panel to see your recent messages and contacts in Microsoft Teams, plus you can start meetings and calls directly from here. Windows key plus D. Show or hide the desktop. Showing the desktop means all your apps are no longer visible, and hiding it restores all your apps in their correct place. Windows key plus E. Open File Explorer. Windows key plus G. Open the Xbox game bar. This lets you record videos, take screenshots, and access various features while playing a game. Windows key plus Alt plus R. Start recording a video of your app or game using the Xbox game bar. Windows key plus I. Open the Settings app. Windows key plus K. Open the Cast panel. This lets you connect to wireless displays that support Miracast. Windows key plus L. Lock your PC. This keeps all your apps open, but requires you to unlock your PC before using them again. Windows key plus M. Minimize all your windows. Windows key plus N. Show the notification center and calendar. This is a new keyboard shortcut in Windows 11. Windows key plus O. Lock device orientation. For tablets and convertibles, this prevents the display from rotating when you rotate your PC. Windows key plus P. Change the display mode for multiple monitors. If you have multiple displays connected, you can choose to only have one of the screens active, duplicate the display across all screens, or use the screens to extend your display area. Windows key plus Q. Open Quick Assist. This allows you to receive or provide help to another user by connecting remotely over the internet. Windows key plus R. Open the Run dialog. This allows you to open any app on your PC, as long as you know the name of the executable file for the app. Windows key plus S. Open Windows Search. You can search for files, apps, and search the web here. Windows key plus spacebar. Cycle between languages and input methods, if multiple are installed. Windows key plus plus sign. Turn on the magnifier and zoom into the screen. Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B. Wake up your PC from a blank or black screen. Windows key plus PRTSCN. Print screen may be represented differently on different keyboards. Take a full screen screenshot and automatically save it to a file. Items are saved in the Pictures library in a folder called Screenshots. Windows key plus Alt plus PRTSCN. Take a screenshot of the active game or window and save it into a file. This feature uses the Xbox game bar, and files are saved in the Videos library, in a folder called Captures, by default. Control plus ESC. Open the Start menu. Control plus Shift plus ESC. Open the Task Manager. Ctrl+A. Select all text or items in a document, page, or window. Ctrl+D. Delete the selected text or items. Ctrl+X. Cut the selected item or text. Ctrl+C. Copy the selected item or text. Ctrl+V. Paste copied or cut content from the clipboard. Ctrl+Z. Undo your last action. Ctrl+Y. Redo an undone action. F2. Rename the selected file or folder. These are the most of the keyboard shortcuts you may find useful in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button for more tutorial videos. Have a nice day.